So take your hair and then make them two. Take them apart, make two parts, and then you twist your hair opposite directions. You join the fiber with your hair. You twist the fiber with your hair, and then the other side as well. You do the same thing, and then you join them together. Then you twist your hair. You make it tight. Make sure it's tight, not like tight to a point whereby it's gonna break your hair. Make sure it's not tight to a point whereby it's gonna break your hair, or you are not gonna be able to turn around. How you box your hair, how you do the parts is up to you. You want them big, that is up to you. See how I'm twisting my hair here. I'm twisting in opposite directions. You twist the other side to the right and the other side to the left. You join them together. You continue twisting. That